Kia Orana and welcome to the podcast that will teach you how to listen, understand and speak Cook Islands Māori. I'm Tom Harrison and with me is Junior Charlie. Together we are your hosts from Kuki Learning. That's Kuki Learning. Now it's just myself for today, so let's get started. Today we are learning the words peh-air. Peh-air means how are you in English. You would use this to ask someone how they are. An example of when to use these words, peh-air, would be straight after you say kia orana, remembering that kia orana means hello. You would say kia orana peh-air. Hello, how are you? Let's break these words down. Peh-air. Remember, this is a question. This is made up of two words. The first word is peh-air. Peh-air. Repeat after me. Peh-air. Peh-air. And to say it normally, peh-air. The second word is cor-eh. Repeat after me. Cor-eh. Cor-eh. Now to say it normally, cor-eh. Now let's put peh-air and cor-eh together. Repeat after me. Peh-air cor-eh. Peh-air cor-eh. Perfect. Now for a bit of practice. You've just said hello to me by saying kia orana, and now you want to ask how are you. How would you ask me? Peh-air cor-eh. There's a few ways I could reply. I could say mako, which means good. That's mako, good. Or I can say tu meke, which is great. Tu meke, great. And now that brings us to the end of the lesson. But before that, I'm always going to share an interesting detail or fact about what you've just learned today. Now you've learned peh-air cor-eh. This translates to how are you. But you can also say peh-air, just the first word. When you say peh-air, this translates to a slang, which is how's it. So when you see someone, you can say peh-air, which means how's it. Meita ki mata for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, please leave a review and share it. It really does help us keep our language alive. Ka kite.